Hello viewers, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Haircuts. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are beautiful and doing very well. Today I am showing you the beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new style of haircuts and hair dye colors ideas. Pixie short haircuts. I shall design the gorgeous, fabulous and trending guys. I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button. You will get the notification all of my videos. Friends, today videos has very stylish USA Russian girls, spin girls haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must you to watch this video till the end. Friend, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media accounts. Share it with your family members so that can visit my YouTube channel and beautiful amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut. Save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will get the notification all of my videos and you will never miss any collection, any videos of my channel. Don't forget back in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me for useful videos, the more useful content for you. And guys, I have uploaded different haircuts designed to you. Happy videos of new haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Amazing, very stylish short pixie bob haircuts ideas. So friends, okay, bye, take care. Thanks for watching my videos.